Hey guys, so today we are going to go through some lumbar mobility. So there's a few different variations we're going to go through. Basically you setting yourself up in the same position, but then there are a few variations. So all you're going to do is get yourself onto all fours, so hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Then from here, a few of you have probably done this before, cat-cow stretch in yoga. So all you're going to do from here is you're going to tuck your head under, your tail comes under, and you're going to push your back all the way up. And then you're going to go the other way. So looking forward, try not to look up too much, and then you're going to go back again. So when you're in this position, I want you to think about really lengthening the spine as much as you can. I want you to think about keeping the weight equally balanced over your hands and over each leg. And I also want you to think about your shoulder blades. So when you're actually lifting it up, or you're coming to look up, your shoulder blades come together and you can just squeeze them back and down away from your ears. And then you're going to take them the other way. So you can start rounding the shoulders, separating the shoulder blades, and just pushing all the way through. And then again, coming back up, and going back. So from here, while you're doing a couple of them reps, you will actually start to work out where you actually need a little bit more work. This is actually a good chance for you to then use some tennis balls or wherever you have available, so foam roller, and to try and maybe help to ease that movement a little bit more on that area. So you can see other videos on that on my YouTube page, so check that one out. But at the moment, what we're going to do is a few variations of this one. So exactly the same position. Okay, so set yourself up. So from here, all we're going to do is actually drop to the elbows. So you're going to do exactly the same thing, but you're on your elbows. Okay, then the next one, you're actually going to go one hand and one elbow. So you're in a bit of a twisted position, and then again you're doing exactly the same thing. I'm going to swap it over. Okay, next one is going to be sitting back onto your heels. I'm going to take my hands down a little bit, and again doing exactly the same as we were before. Okay, this time I'm actually going to drop onto my elbows. Okay, so the next one, what we're going to do is, again, the same setup. You're going to take one hand forward and then the opposite leg back. Okay, so you're in a bit of a staggered position. And again, same thing. Hang on, this is going to take some coordination. There we go. Okay, and swap it over. So again, one hand comes forward, the opposite leg comes back. And again, the coordination comes in. Okay, and the final one is taking one knee across the other and just resting it down. So you've got a little bit of a cross-legged position. And again, exactly the same thing. And I'm going to take it over the other side. Okay, so with all them as well, what you can do to add a little bit more movement to the exercise is, whilst you're in that position, so as well as moving up and down, what you can do is occasionally actually move your hips side to side in whichever position. So again, in that same setup, so this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to arch my back up, and then I'm actually going to start moving side to side. Okay, and then I'm going to move other way and again side to side. Okay, so there's loads of different variations you can do with this. All we're looking at really is getting your spine actually moving as much as we possibly can, and getting it hydrating and the blood flowing. So with this now, there's no certain number of reps. Go with whatever feels good. Again, you can use the foam roller and the tennis balls if you want to add a little bit more to it, but there's loads of variation you can do. Just get moving. Hope that helps, guys. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.